Since starting this channel, audio has been one of my biggest challenges, and I just cannot get it right, especially when I'm speaking through a microphone, installed in my helmet. So I searched around for the best solutions to this problem, and I found that these cheap disposable microphones that you can get for 100 rupees or less are the best options. It's better to buy these than to go for expensive ones. It was Mr. Kalakar who said that, and I got this one for 100 rupees from Meesho. So I'm going to install it in my helmet and see how it performs, whether it remedies my problem or it doesn't. So here's my helmet. I'm going to install this microphone inside it. I'm going to remove this wind mug that the microphone comes with, and also this, and I'm going to put a dead cat that I got from Amazon. It should perform better with the dead cat. So now I'll insert the microphone right against the chin pad. So I put it right inside, like the space that's for the intercom. That's where I put the microphone. I'm going to test it now on the motorcycle and see how it performs. This is what the microphone sounds like when I am completely static with the visor open. And this is what it sounds like when I have my visor closed. Now let's see how it sounds like when we are moving. This is what it sounds like at a normal speed of around 50 kilometers per hour with the visor open. So now let's close the visor. This is the with the visor closed. I cannot really tell right now what it sounds like, but I hope it sounds alright at least. This is with the visor open. I don't know how the sound is. Let's hope for the best. I'm closing the visor now. Yeah, so this is with the visor closed, and I'm going at 80 kilometers per hour right now. Let's try to go a bit faster. That's around 90 kilometers per hour, and the visor is closed. Let's see how the cheap Meesho microphone performs. So far so good. Alright, I'll see you on the other side now.